Phew, I'm almost there. Wow! Oops, I just fell. I'm sorry for lights are on your underwear with it. I'm right here, if you didn't know. I'm right here, if you didn't know, okay? Okay, that's good. Hello, sir. Hello, sir. It's about Sherlock, the undercover dog sign-ups. Good, there you go. Who's on this, man? Shh, be quiet. Number 4, put you on the list. How did you watch your movie? Number 1, did you see the Columbia TriStar home video logo? Of course I do. And did you got a Sherlock movie? Of course I do. I got you this movie. Okay. Now I got another question. Did you see every choice in your bio? Of course I do. Whoops. What? No. And now, look for the final question. Did you beat the hardest difficult of a movie? No, not really. Did you start wrong? No, not really. Did you start wrong? Next.